In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link databases in Notion, creating a more cohesive, interconnected workflow. This is a fantastic way to ensure your projects and tasks stay in sync, giving you a clear overview of what needs to be accomplished and keeping everything organized. First, let's jump into your Notion page. You'll want to head over to your web browser and type in the URL notion.so. Once you land on the site, proceed to open up the page that contains your databases. In this example, we're working with two databases, one labeled Projects and another named Tasks. This setup is versatile and can be adapted to the names and categories specific to your needs. With your Notion page open, it's time to dive into one of your databases. We'll start by clicking into your Tasks database. It's essential that you navigate to the database view of tasks, as this will allow us to add properties and make the necessary connections that link your tasks to your projects. Now, you're going to want to add a relation property to your tasks database. To do this, look towards the top of your database. You'll notice an option labeled Plus Add a Property. Go ahead and click this to bring up a menu of available property types. What we're interested in here is the Relation option. Selecting this will facilitate the connection between your two databases. After choosing Relation, a pop-up will appear. This handy window displays all the databases within your workspace. To connect the task database to the projects database, you'll need to search for and select your other database. In this case, it's Projects. By doing this, you create a link between these two databases, setting the stage for a more integrated task management system. Upon setting the relation, you'll observe a new column appearing in your tasks database. This column serves as a gateway to linking specific tasks to their corresponding projects. To establish this link, click inside a cell of the new column. You'll then be able to select a record from your project's database, say, for example, Project A. Once selected, that particular task is now directly associated with the chosen project, ensuring that you can track related tasks effectively. To confirm everything is set up correctly, you can check the other side of the relationship by heading over to your project's database. Notion is smart enough to automatically add a related column back from projects to tasks. This way, every time you view your project's database, you can see all linked tasks, giving you a comprehensive overview of what tasks are tied to each project. By following these simple steps, you've effectively created linked databases, enhancing your productivity and organization in Notion. Now, you can enjoy a well-structured view of tasks and projects, allowing for seamless tracking and management. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your Notion experience.